Okay, guys.
Hi, little guy. They just subscribed. Good morning from Panama City, Florida. Today is, do you know what the date is?
It's March 26th, I don't know.
Okay, the date is March 26th, and we're in Florida right now for a little vacation. Today, we don't have much to do. I think we're just gonna chill on the beach, but my parents are gone now. They went to Walmart, so we're home alone, and I'm on FaceTime with Claire, who is also in Florida. She's about like 30 minutes away from us, so that's cool. If you haven't seen my vlog from yesterday, we drove 15 hours to get here, so you can go watch our road trip vlog. It's really fun. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning.
Here's our grocery haul. Dad, did you have fun at Walmart? You love Walmart.
Good time.
Okay, we're finally going to the beach. Adam
Can I
had
put my sunscreen on before we leave?
Oh my God, can we just go? Oh jeez, I'm struggling. I can't get it. Thank you. Are we going to the pool or the ocean?
Wherever you want.
Ocean. Okay, Adam said he'd give me $1 if I just dive in, so I'm gonna do it, right? Okay, ready?
Yeah, do it.
Whoa!
I owe her $1.
It has that, it has those numbers. It's like, is it ready for us to take a picture? Okay, we are now in the hot tub from the ocean, and we made some new friends. What's your name? Tinsley? Nice to meet you, Tinsley. My name's Sam. Are you a cheerleader? Are you a dancer? You do gymnastics? And you can just do that? Flexible. But I don't have a lot of followers. Like, I'm not a famous one. Do you guys want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, wait, okay, everyone introduce yourselves if you want to be on it.
Here, I'm Sophia.
Mia.
Hi, my name is Tinsley. I'm Emma.
Yeah.
Frankie.
Introduce yourself.
Sam, Frankie.
Oh, hi. Mia that I just met is double jointed.
Oh, I can't.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
I want to give Mom my mom.
Maybe don't. She might not want to be on video.
You're on video. Mom, you're on video. Hi.
Scott. Hi.
Guys, look what happened to the pool in Florida.
Yeah, the light just
Yeah,
came
it's
out.
so crazy. Who wants to do the Fortnite challenge? What's the Fortnite challenge?
Oh, the dances?
Yeah, I love that.
You can do it. Fortnite dance challenge. Okay, wait, what's that one called? Okay, that's
Wow.
What's this one? The shoot.
The height.
Oh, that's called the hike? Okay. Okay, what's another one? I don't know any of them.
Orange Justice.
Orange Justice.
Yeah, I know that.
That's good. Good job. I'd say you did really good. I'd say you got it 100%.
So, Mia is the flyer, and Sam is the base.
Yeah.
And Sophia is the base. But she's front spot, and I'm back spot. And that's the camera guy. Well, actually.
Sunshine and whiskey. Chilling on the beach with a sweet Georgia peach, not a care in the world, just trying to beat the heat. Body like an hourglass, sand on my feet, can't help but stare, cause I got the best.
Okay, guys, right now I'm about to go and swim across the pool. Okay, guys, made it halfway across. Subscribe and peace out.
Okay, we are back from the beach. It was really fun. The water in the ocean was freezing cold, but it was really fun because it's like the ocean. And now we're in our room and my parents are talking to someone about the area and condos here and everything. And so they're on the porch and Adam and I are just hanging out in here. I might edit a video, but I had a sandwich and now I'm gonna try grapefruit because I'm addicted to grapefruits. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, so good. I don't know if we will, but we might visit some condos today. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this grapefruit. I'll see you guys when I'm doing something again. Okay, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna switch to my phone. Let's do it. Camera switch. 3, 2, 1. What's up, y'all? Okay, let's go.
I love Pretty's place.
Same place, same old ride, same troubles on my mind too. I still chase and don't know.
We're back and I'm going to get ready for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna do to get ready. I might actually dress nice tonight because we're going to like a restaurant, but is there a light in here? I don't know. Oh, okay, cool. You know, we're not gonna wear a dress, but I'm gonna dress nice. Let's see what I wanna put on. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So, basically, it's 6:13 right now. I feel like I wanna do something with my hair, but maybe just half up, half down. Let you know when we're going to dinner. See you in a little bit, guys. Bye. We're going to dinner, and it's freezing cold, and someone last night at dinner had a blanket, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna bring my blanket. Here's our elevator, so let's head on in. Adam is my filmmaker for tonight. He is my videographer. So as we walk here, you can look across the street and see that there's a very cute and beachy gas station like none you've ever seen in your whole entire life. Okay, we have to go across the street. I want this, but I don't know. And I want to be able to drive so that I can get one of these because they're so freaking cute. And like a car charm, I love that. Hi, little guy. How are you doing? Oh my god. These are quite possibly the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
Make it easier for the...
You want a medium as well?
Yes. Adam, what do we have here?
Alligator bite. It doesn't feel like...
Pretty good. It's just really chewy. I mean, it tastes like alligator, I guess. I mean,
How do we know what alligator tastes
it's what you would expect alligator to taste like a little swampy.
Oh, yeah?
A little chewy.
Like 2 seeds
What do you
left
think?
and another had 2 seeds left.
Doesn't it taste like alligator?
I'm gonna try that.
It's like
That's what I thought. Adam got a burger, Dad got a burger, I got a burger. Mom, what did you get?
Shrimp and fish tacos.
Ooh.
YouTuber.
Yeah. These nice ladies were our waitresses. Well, she was our waitress, and that's her sister.
Hi.
And they're going to start a YouTube channel. They just subscribed to my channel, and I appreciate that. But
That's a big thumbs
yeah.
up.
Yes.
Definitely.
You guys, you are a wonderful waiter. Thank you.
Awesome, by the way. So
Oh, thank you. There is a super cool roller skating place right up here, and I want to go so bad. But I think I might be the only one that wants to go, but I want to go so bad. Is it right here?
we're not going.
What? No, no, it's open. It's literally, no, it doesn't say closed. You're lying. Literally, that looks so lit. I want to go roller skate. I really want to do that.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress. Now let me go. And I just can't look, it's killing me.
Weren't you the shoot the duck champion?
What?
The shoot the duck champion?
No, Mommy was.
Oh.
I was a paddleboard champion
Okay.
in the 88 Olympics.
Oh yeah.
Skating, that was so much fun. This place is a roller skating rink and an arcade and then a bowling alley. It's awesome.
Okay, so I was just trying to find some sunglasses, you know, for my eyes. And then
They look too small for your face.
you like them?
Sure. Okay, we're almost back at the big GP, the Grand Panama. Everyone's tired except for Adam and I. Adam, are you tired?
Not really.
Okay, me neither. Mama, are you tired?
I'm very tired.
Oh yeah, Mama's tired, Daddy's tired, but Adam and I, we're ready to party.
What are we on, 18?
Back at our condo. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna go to bed. It's gonna be fun to go to sleep. Last night I had a good dream, so hopefully tonight I'll have a good dream too. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you then. We're meeting up with Claire, so it's gonna be so much fun. I'm really, really excited, and I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching my vlog. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Florida videos and everything. It's gonna be so fun. And if I met you today, you're awesome. Thanks for subscribing. And I will see you in my video tomorrow. Bye!